Everybody, it's Christina and I am back with another video today. Today I'm showing you guys how I achieved this winter makeup look and what I'm doing this winter time for my makeup routine and what I'm really enjoying. So I hope you guys enjoy it too and keep on watching this video. See you later. I already moisturized my face with the Eucerin Skin Calming Lotion and my Skin Science Skin Repair Face Serum. And I always also use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And I'm just going to spray that all over my face as my primer before I apply my foundation. And first I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And this is my favorite eyebrow product. And I skipped my brows and I'm just going to show you the finished product right here because it takes me forever to do my brows. But now I'm going to use my BareMinerals Bare Pro Foundation. And this is my favorite foundation these last couple months. I've been going to this foundation because it gives me a healthy finish and it makes my skin look really healthy and glowy. So it is very buildable too also. It's really buildable and I think it's good for any skin type. And I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush and I'm just going to apply that on my foundation. And yeah, just press it in my skin and apply it. And make sure I do circular motions and also press it into my skin just to give it a better look and a better finish. And just to make sure that it's all blended in. Alright, so my camera stopped recording right before I did my concealer and bronzer, but you can check that out on my previous video to see how I do it, and it'll be linked down below in the description box. But I'm showing you guys the 3502 Second Nature palette, and that's what I'm going to be using on my eyes today, and I love this palette. I'm going in with the shade Universal first to use as the blending shade for my crease, and I'm also going to use my BH Cosmetics blending brush. I love this shade, Universal. It's one of my favorite shades on a palette because it's very buildable and blendable also. And I just like the way it looks on my eyelid. And sometimes I just use this color and that's it and just go on about my day. But today I'm going to use two other shades in the palette. And I'm going to use the shade Orb, which is also my favorite. And I should be using that next after this one. Yeah, that's the one I'm dipping in now. But I really like this shade. It's really buildable and blendable, as I said about the other shade. All of these shades are perfect. And I really enjoy this palette. And I'm also going to use the shade Tan, which they're all right next to each other. I'm going to use that shade and just darken it up just a tad bit. Not too much. But just to add a little dark in the crease. Just to define my crease a little bit more. And yeah, I'm just going to keep blending it, wiping it back and forth and not pressing too hard. Kind of making it kind of fade out and just giving it a really blendable look. So now I'm just showing you guys the finished look for my eyes, and I really like it. I usually wear this every day if I do wear eyeshadow, and it's a really good, easy eye look. And now I'm just using my Mario Badescu cucumber spray, and I'm just going to spritz that all over my face as my setting spray. So now I'm just grabbing this double-sided brush, and I'm using one side, the fluffier side, as my highlighter brush, and I use it all the time as my highlighter brush. I don't know the name of this brush because I got it a long time ago, but I'll try to find a brush similar to that. And I'm also using my favorite highlighter, the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter in Golden Goddess, and it's my favorite highlighter ever. I haven't bought another highlighter since I bought this highlighter, and I bought this highlighter a long time ago. I love putting it on with any makeup look I do. It's just my go-to highlighter. I don't use any other highlighter. And it's only like $6 or $7, so it's definitely worth it. It's really worth $6 or $7. And I'm just putting that on my cheeks and on my brow bone and also down the bridge of my nose, mostly on the tip of my nose and above my top lip. And now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Suede lip pencil, and it's in Downtown Beauty, and this is my favorite lip pencil to use with my favorite lip gloss I ever had, and it's my NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. And I use these two on my everyday lip combo if I want to have a glossy lip, because it just gives my lips the perfect nude peachy shade, and the lip gloss really stays on for a very long time. And that is it, you guys, for my winter makeup routine. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up below and also the subscribe button for more tutorials. I'll see you guys later.